everyone, in this video I will share about how to set fields to numbers only in Joomla5 using JQuery. When developing our components in Joomla5, sometimes we need it to restrict the inputs to only number. That means the user can input only numbers. In that cases, we can control our input box with JQuery. Here you can see, you can read step by step. For example, if we want to make the field numbers only, we can create like that. Call the ID of the field and number true. Now the input can only be numbers. The user cannot input text. In some cases we have to control the input like that. We can make this with jQuery like this. You can see also here, and there you can see another course here. It has the table and find id dot class name and setting that number to true to 2, and this 2 means the number should be the decimal 2. That means 2 decimal numbers only. For that we describe for 2. Like this we can add the input field to numbers only with jQuery. It is very useful when we want the user to input only numbers. We can use this method. There are many other ways to do that, but in this video I shared about how to do with jQuery. So thank you very much for your attention.